Alright, let's walk around and talk smack, whatever. Alright, there's my mushroom. I still ain't moved it or done nothing with it. Heavy. Alright, the eagle's what I'm proud of right now. Look at that. Alright, still working on him. He's not done, but he's beautiful. Use 3 different cements. I'm making a model. I'll make a rubber hard backing mold with it when I get done. Learned that from DIY Molds. Well, I didn't learn it from them, but they inspired me a lot. Joined them in 2013. I got a little mess just showing you. There's a piece of, well, it's not rotten. It's hard to rot. Got me some new boots too. Man, I love them. I can walk finally. Tools I've used. It's a brand new blade I had to put on there. It's already there. And I use that kind of saw and that kind of saw. Anyway, I ain't used this yet. I will use it. Anyway, got a customer the boss is taking care of. Alright. That's one of our cats they're playing with. Hey, you doing alright? Yeah. Good. Beautiful. Alright. There's the fairy garden I just got through watering. Alright, see you guys. Ain't life good?